Welcome to today's job circular. Today we'll talk about Drug International Company's Medical Promotion Officer career opportunity. Drug International Limited has a long record of solid reputation as one of the leading pharmaceutical company in Bangladesh. Now the job vacancy is for medical promotion officer. The key responsibilities are promote healthcare professionals about company's products in order to achieve assigned sales objectives. Requirements masters or graduate in any discipline, excellent communication skills both in Bangla and English, age below 30 years, fresh candidates only, willing to work anywhere in Bangladesh. Candidates who have applied earlier are discouraged to apply again. That means if you applied here before and has not selected, then you cannot apply for the second time. Apply instruction. Interested candidates are requested to submit handwritten applications addressed to manager, Department of Human Resources within 23rd April 2021. Position mentioned top of envelope. That means you have to write down the position name, medical promotion officer, at the top of the envelope. Along with complete resume, 2 copies recent passport size photographs, photocopy of all academic certificates, photocopy of national ID card. Department of HR, Drug International Limited. The address is written here, so you can apply. So that's all for today. Good luck for you. If you want to apply, just apply before 23rd April 2021. Thanks for watching. See you soon.